Welcome to the RapidAlert installation video. Let's get your system operational. Unbox the RapidAlert unit and leave the protective plastic film in place. Using the supplied security Torx bit, remove the 3 security screws on the right side of the cabinet and set them aside. Next, remove your chosen cable knockout. Secure the cord grip connector to the knockout by installing the lock nut inside the cabinet. It should look like this if you chose the side entry option. Position the included installation template on the wall using painter's tape. Use a level to ensure the template is straight. Drill 4 1/4 inch holes through the mounting locations on the template. Whenever possible, mount at least one side of the cabinet directly into a wall stud for added strength. Mount the cabinet securely to the wall using the included mounting anchors and screws. Here it is mounted to the wall. Thread the antenna onto the antenna base located on the top of the cabinet. Hand tighten until snug. Do not over-tighten. Open the cabinet to access the internal components. Connect the AC power to the terminals. Connect and install the plug-in transformer to a wall outlet. Please ensure to follow the instructions in the enclosed installation guide. Install the 2 backup batteries into the bottom of the cabinet, ensuring that you follow the instructions in the installation guide. Close the RapidAlert cabinet and reinstall the 3 security screws. After the RapidAlert system is powered on, a green LED should appear on the right side of the cabinet. During the startup process, it is normal for the green LED to briefly turn off. After approximately 4 minutes, the green LED should remain on continuously. A solid green LED indicates the system is powered and communicating properly. A solid red LED indicates a communication issue. If cellular service is weak or unavailable, an Ethernet connection may be used. If no LED is visible, there may be a power issue such as AC loss or a low battery. Finally, test the system. Notify all response team members before testing. Activate the pull station by pushing in and pulling down on the handle. Verify that the strobe begins flashing and notifications are received. Reset the pull station using the key by turning counterclockwise 90 degrees. Open the door to at least 45 degrees, then close and lock it. Confirm the strobe turns off after reset. Here you see the alert process. Thanks for watching this overview on how to install the RapidAlert unit. For more information or additional questions, please visit our website at bluepointalert.com/rapidalert.